Good morning, sir.
Morning.
It's very nice to have you here. So you've conducted this Nano Career Fest. So what do you want to show to students, or what is the purpose of conducting the career fair?
Good. See, today engineering admissions have become very complex, and beyond NITs, IITs, triple ITs, there are a number of options, and students and parents need to know about this before they make informed decisions. Because ultimately, we want to make them take informed decisions, and there are options. For example, if you go around the career fair today, there are some very interesting options. For example, Plaksha University is there. Nobody knows about. Very few people know about Plaksha University. Narsi Monji, earlier it was called Narsi Monji. Now it is called NMIMS. They've got a university in Jadcherla. Beautiful engineering college and campus. Lot of options. And existing names also have interesting career options and course offerings. For example, Geetam University. Geetam University has got aerospace in Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is emerging as a aerospace hub. So somebody is interested in aerospace, he should be looking at this seriously, because most students and most parents run after computers and now AI. So people need to know whether they join or not is a different matter, but at least they should have the information to take an informed decision. Similarly, Next Wave is there, Upgrad is there. They are all new age institutions, not the traditional university kind, where there's a lot of focus on skill building. And in the AI age, skill building is something which will lead to jobs. So at this stage, we are in November, December. So at this stage, parents, if they start collecting information, by the time the admissions have to be taken, say around April, May, June time frame, they will have a lot of information with them. On that basis, they can take the decision. Okay.
So what kind of universities do we have here today?
Today we have convention universities like VIT, like Amrita, SRM. People are familiar with these universities, but people may not be familiar with the course offerings. So right now, a lot of interdisciplinary courses are coming out, like robotics combined with other branches. So people will come to know about these kind of things. Then there are our local universities based in Hyderabad. Like for example, Geetam is there, KL is there, Mallareddy is there. These universities are there. Then we have those new age institutions like next BITS Pilani, if you ask me. So they are there. ICFA is there. NMIMS is there. I can go on. There are so many very interesting options. So if parents go through these things, they will get a lot of information about what are all the universities, what are their admission possibilities, and also scholarships. Because some people may not go to BITS Dubai assuming that it is expensive, but they have very interesting scholarships. So they'll get this information. Okay? Right.
Okay, thank you, sir. Very nice to have you here today.